Hey guys, Gunner here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Beef Boss outfit from Fortnite Battle Royale Season 5. Alright, let's jump right into it. Alright. Ooh, sorry buddy, you already got your chance in the spotlight on the last video. Make sure to check that out, by the way, for the full tutorial. But you're getting an upgrade, you know? You got a body now. Yeah.
You will need these standard shop tools we went over in the last video in more depth. Red and purple paint. I used spray paint for the purple. A tan vest or shirt without the sleeves. Disclaimer, I got all the clothes for this build off of Amazon, so you can get them if you want. A purple sportswear undershirt. Cargo pants that are khaki. I don't have pictures for these, but you also need an EVA foam, yellow felt, cardboard, and a piece of PVC pipe. That's 1/2 inch. First, mask off parts of the vest you want to paint. Remember, you're only painting one side purple, so you're going to have to only mask half of the vest on the back and front. Now you're ready to paint the vest. While that dries, we're going to work on the spatula. Stick a long piece of PVC in between two square halves of EVA foam. Round out the EVA foam to make a spatula head and cut 3 little crevices in them to make the, 3 crevices in the spatula. Apply lots of hot glue to make it sturdy. I painted that a nice silver with a dirty finish with black. Next, we're moving on to the shin pads. Cut a triangle out of the cardboard and cut crevices so it can, wrap around your leg. There's also plating over the top of the character's foot, so I just put a piece of nylon and a foot plate on top of that. Make another one and paint them purple. Now I'm adding a detail to the khaki pants. If you don't have a label stock like me, you can just put masking tape over a picture and tape it on. I used hot glue though, since I'm going to be ruining these pants. Paint basically the part that covers your fly, red. My camera died, but I basically made a basic shape of a fry box and painted it red. Use the same label making method to make the picture on the side of the fry box. Cut multiple thin strips out of the EVA foam to use as fries. Wrap all the strips in yellow fabric. Glue them inside the fry box, and you've just made yourself a Beef Boss costume. A few things about the costume I forgot to mention were the hiking boots that I used. They're just normal hiking boots. You can use high tops if you have. You can also use fingerless gloves, which I used in this shot. You can't really see it that much, but I also have a bow tie on. Now you can see it just a little. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the future. Bye.